Okay, so I just want to talk about the AOR and all the craziness that's happening there. So if you really need a package from the AOR, there's other ways to actually get that package in a way. And if you can't get it, then do you really need it? But anyway, I'm going to talk about the chaotic AOR, installing it on Arch or CachyOS. I'm running CachyOS. So the chaotic AOR basically it's got an automated system where it fetches AOR packages and builds it for you so that you can install it faster. So it definitely speeds up the process. But in that process, it actually sandboxes it while it's building it, and then it checks if anything funny happens there, it gets flagged. So it's already a layer of protection, and then it gets flagged, and then a real human can actually check at that package what is actually going on. So they do check the packages, not every package, or if it gets flagged. So yeah, it is a layer of security, I suppose. And you can come to their site and you can read through their latest news of what they are actually doing. They are obviously very aware of the AOR situation. So they obviously don't want to screw it up too, because that means their reputation will suffer. So obviously they can be, if they play their cards right, they can be the main supplier of AOR packages. Anyway, you can read through that. To install the chaotic AOR is pretty straightforward. Just come to the site, click on start right away, and it takes you to the commands that you need to run. So you can basically just copy this. So the primary key, paste it into your command line and run it. Same with chaotic keyring and chaotic mirror list. So it's those two, run those two. Then you need to open your pacman.conf file. Let's just open that. So I'm running nano. Right. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can just include these packages. So chaotic AOR include etc pacman.d chaotic mirror list. You have to include this into your pacman.conf. So there's my multi-lib and all the normal ones. There's the CachyOS ones as well. Why is there so many spaces here? And so on. So just include that chaotic AOR at the bottom and it will run through that. And that's basically it. All you have to do then is update your system sudo pacman-syu and it will just run an update. You will see the chaotic AOR there at the bottom. Mine is up to date, obviously. So it's added now. It will update it and it will get packages from there. If it's not in these normal, either CachyOS packages or Arch's core repository. Yeah, so once that is installed, then that's good. But I've created a security bar. We've added layers of protection. As you can see, this is all the security on my CachyOS or Arch, doesn't matter, it runs on both. Then I've included this one recently, scan AOR package. So say there's a obscure package that you want from the AOR. You can basically just type it in here. So I can't think of any other now. I'm just gonna type in fastfetch. I really can't think of any other. So you type in your package here, click launch, and it opens the terminal. So you still work in your terminal. Let's just put that there. We can close that. Yeah, we can close the code. Right, so let's put in my password. So it's going to do an update first. So this is basically, it runs a script. So it checks for update your system first. Then it checks the package that you included here against a blacklisted list. I mean a blacklist that Arch actually maintain. So they have a blacklist of all compromised AUR packages. It runs it against that blacklist, and if it finds it, it will tell you. And obviously you shouldn't install it. Then if it's not on the blacklist, it will say it's fine, it's not in the blacklist. Then I've included a local model, just a light Llama model, 3.2. But you can run any other Llama model in here. If you have one already installed, it will just start working. Right, and then it gives you an option. Do you want to run the AI security scan on this package? So what this AI will do, it will just scan through the PKG build of that specific package and check if there's anything funny going on, and it will bring it to the front for you, and you can decide if you still want to install the package. So if I say yes, it's obviously not going to find anything on fastfetch. So what it script does is it does print out the PKG build for you, so you can check through it yourself. So this is fastfetch PKG build. You can just check through there, the source, whatever. And if there's anything funny in here, you obviously spot it, or the AI will spot it for you. So it says here clean, instant static paste, no risky network obfuscating, hooks detected. If there was something in there, then the AI will lift it or bring it to the front so that you can see it. Anyway, and then if all is good, it will ask you, do you want to install it? Proceed with installation. You can say yes or no. I'm not going to install it. Kitty! She always jumps at me. Right. Let's put it back. Fastfetch. Yeah, so that's just an extra layer of security using the chaotic AUR. If you really need something from the AUR, run it through there, and then you can use the security bar for extra protection. I have it listed in my on my Github if you want to use it, whatever. But there is if you want to look through the PKG build yourself, there is a command. Let's just copy this, copy, paste it. Right, so it's yay. You can just use yay. I know there's a curl command as well, but if you have yay installed, then use it. So yay dash GQ, and then your package name, that's just fastfetch, but any package name there. Right, and then you just cat it. You cat out the fastfetch PKG build to the screen. So it will basically just show that same thing that of before. There's the PKG build. You can look through it now. Happy days. So it's just things that you have to do if you want to install something from the risky AUR. But you know, I've installed things from the AUR because I do a lot of testing and so on. But I don't really need anything from the AUR, so I just use sudo pacman. I just use the default. If you use CachyOS, it will give you the optimized packages for CachyOS. And if you need something from the AUR, use the chaotic AUR. So yeah, just a few things that you can do. Like and subscribe if you like this, and I'll see you later. Good.